Now, on the topic of people, now this is my last point. I've been curious about people and how we represent them and how we get them to work together. It's a fundamental question for anyone who's trying to make things happen, because you can't make things happen by yourself, as we all know. And you can only make things happen by connecting people together. And people are so different. And so there's a great a book by Dan Rome on drawing. And the D School adopted this diagram. The diagram changed how I thought about people. And so Dan Rome talks about how you can draw three kinds of people with three tools: sticks, blocks, and blobs. Sticks and circles, blocks and blobs. And so with the stick and circles, this is called, stick man, stick person. You can draw a person with a big Charlie Brown head. And it has emotions, like happy, sad, tongue out, whatever. It's an emotional type of thing. And with block people, you can give them action. Maybe they're fishing, playing basketball, running. And with blob people, it's how you draw relationships. In, out, connected, disconnected. And when I saw this simple tutorial for drawing people, I saw in my mind a way of understanding the types of design, the types of engagement we were trying to create with other people. Because on the one hand, you can think about the action world as the world of the body. It's this sort of physical world. It's the world we bump into, literally. It concerns our body. And then in the emotional world is the world of the computer screen or a book. You barely move your body when you're using the phone. It's not really necessary. It's just a world of the mind. And lastly, in the relations world, it's the world of people, it's the world of institutions, it's the world of organizations like this, conferences like this. It's the opportunity to connect the physical with the digital, with the social part. And I do believe the only thing that matters is the social part. And how can media, how can technology, how can these things create this sensibility of people and how we connect or choose to disconnect? That question is a question I try to understand in what I look at today.